In this highly sophisticated world that we live in, several electronic devices have quickly become indispensable to our everyday life. They enhance our experiences and make our lives more convenient. Amazon is a veritable treasure trove of cutting-edge devices that you can use to adorn your home with the latest and greatest in home electronics. In this video, we will discuss 10 of the most interesting and useful Amazon devices for your room that you should consider purchasing. These cutting-edge devices, which range from smart art frames to levitating moonlights, will make your room appear more contemporary and chic than ever before. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 10. Mural Canvas, the Smart Art Frame. The Mural Canvas is the right choice for you if you are seeking for a means to consistently alter the appearance of your room with just one piece of equipment. This high-definition digital canvas frame reproduces photographs and images with an incredible level of realism. It is available in 2 different sizes and 4 different hues, and its style is contemporary and streamlined. You may simply save money on printing and frame costs by uploading your own photographs, cropping them, and viewing them in their finest detail. You are able to add your own creative touches to the canvas, schedule display times, and alter settings with the Mural app. It is even possible to use voice controls, such as Alexa, in order to discover new works. Number 9. Liquid Fuel Portable Fireplace. Have you ever wanted to put a fireplace in your home but were concerned about the cost or the lack of available space? The portable fireplace that runs on liquid fuel is here to grant your every wish. This fireplace may be placed on any level surface, and it replicates the appearance, allure, and coziness of a fire that is fueled by wood without producing smoke, odors, or sparks. It burns recycled liquid ethanol as fuel and emits only water vapor and carbon dioxide. This portable fireplace, with an eco-friendly burning system, is suited for use both indoors and out, and it has the capacity to warm an area of up to 325 square feet. Number 8. Fire Bowl. A fire bowl is a fantastic option if you are looking for something that will create an atmosphere that is cozier and more personal. It enables you to generate the ideal illumination, as well as a sense of warmth and romanticism, for an evening spent with family or friends. Gel fuel is used in the fire bowl. This fuel burns in an odorless and smoke-free manner and produces no ash. It produces a blazing fire that is quite extensive, giving the space an air of coziness. Number 7. Phone Soap. As the day progresses, the phones we use collect bacteria and transform into a breeding ground for germs. Sanitizing your phone with the phone soap device, which utilizes germicidal UVC bulbs, will eliminate 99.99% of all bacteria and germs on your device. It is able to disinfect a variety of devices, including pacifiers, smartwatches, headphones, and keys, in addition to any and all smartphone models, including larger ones. In addition to keeping your phone clean, phone soap can also assist in reducing the spread of illness causing germs and bacteria. Number 6. Levitating Moonlight. With the help of the Levitating Moonlight, you will be able to experience the dazzling brightness of a full moon each and every night. This lamp is a lifelike recreation of the craters, textures, and fields that can be found on the moon. It was built utilizing cutting-edge 3D printing technology and satellite photographs from NASA. Because it makes use of wireless power technology, it can be illuminated even when floating in midair. Some models also come with a remote control that allows the user to alter the color of the light, as well as the amount of brightness it emits. It is the ideal appliance to keep in your room or to give as a present to someone you care about. Number 5. Liquid Tiles. The addition of some artistic flair to your space is easy to do with the help of liquid tiles. These cutting-edge floor tiles have 2 different colored liquids embedded in them, which creates a wide variety of individual color combinations. Liquid tiles are suited for usage in a variety of locations, including homes, shopping malls, bars, clubs, restaurants, and hotels. They are constructed out of PVC and feature an anti-slip mat on the back in addition to a stain-proof and non-slip tempered glass surface. Liquid tiles are able to completely convert a space into one that is lively and visually attractive, since they come in such a wide variety of color options and produce such remarkable effects. Number 4. NFL Game. If you are a fan of the National Football League, then you really need to have this piece of technology. Not only will it make your room look more put together, but it will also educate you on the ins and outs of football regulations, formations, and techniques. The game consists of laying out your players, activating the vibrating surface, and developing a game plan to get you rushing back to the end zone without being bumped. It is a game of strategy, which means that precise preparation and aim are required in order to win. This set gives you the ability to build your favorite NFL teams with 11 red players and 11 white players, each of which comes with an NFL sticker. Number 3. Tap Strap 2. It is a wearable keyboard, mouse, and air gesture controller that combines all 3 functions into a single device. You can input information by tapping your finger on the screen or making movements with your hand. While you are inputting information, you will have complete freedom of movement and be completely comfortable thanks to the innovative biocompatible materials used to construct this gadget. It is available in 2 different sizes and contains a battery that is so little that it just takes up a micron of space but can power it for 10 hours. You are able to write text, navigate, scroll, copy and paste, control media, and play games with the help of Tap Strap 2. It allows for the communication and operation of smartphones and other devices without the need for vision or voice, making it a genuinely futuristic piece of technology. Number 2. Bubble Calendar. Have you ever woken up with the desire to wreck something? This week's Bubble Calendar asks that question. The Bubble Calendar may be able to help reduce that discomfort. This calendar provides you with a bubble for each day, and as the day progresses, you can pop the bubbles to give yourself a sense of accomplishment. It is not only a practical calendar, but also an interesting ornament for you to hang on the wall. The Bubble Calendar is an interactive decoration that also teaches self-control. It is a great addition to any area. Number 1. Supergirl Bookend. With the help of the Supergirl Bookend, you can turn any bookshelf into a one-of-a-kind piece of furniture. This bookend has a magnet that holds Supergirl in the air, creating the illusion that she is preventing the books from falling over. This bookend is crafted from strong metal, ensuring its longevity, and features a superhero design that gives your space a dash of character. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.